Hello everyone, today I will show you how to speaker issue solved in iPhone 16 Pro Max. So, before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. First of all, to solve the problem, go in settings and open sound and haptics. Scroll down and click on headphone safety. You can see the option reduce loud audio. If it turn off, then turn on it. After turning on, your problem will be fixed. If it doesn't fix, then go back in settings and scroll down. Click on accessibility and scroll down. Go to hearing section and open audio and visual. Here you can see the option mono audio. It will remain turned on. If your problem will not fix, then go to background sounds and you can see the option use when media is playing. It will remain turned on. Your problem will be fixed. If it doesn't fix, then checking your mobile is on silent mode. If it is on silent mode, then turn off the silent mode. Your volume problem will be fixed. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching.